He chewed through 3 leashes. He was a very flighty dog.
Please don't do that.
Cody was found as a stray. He was caught after wandering around a neighborhood.
You want a second leash?
I'm gonna give this dog all the time he needs.
Rest up, buddy. We have plenty of time to get to know each other.
So if I put a leash on him and he freaked out, then it took me 10 minutes to get him in the backyard. Getting him out of his room was a process.
Sunlight, vitamin D. Let's go.
Once we were out, he was like, oh, let's walk. We got Cody here. Cody decided to come out with us today. So yeah, this is already a step, big step. And you do this every day, and you build that trust. And then one day they just start following you. Yeah. I didn't even think he'd let me take him outside today. It's a slow process. He just needs some time. This box has never been here before. And to Cody, that is a huge deal. Every little thing, any change sent him back into flight mode. So it's things like this that most of us don't really pay attention to, but to a sensitive guy like this, this is a huge deal. So I just need to guide him past this, and he obviously doesn't want to come. Cody, let's go. So I'm just gonna put a leash on my dude, right? And we're gonna walk past it. Hey, if you just follow me, I promise this scary box won't hurt you. Let's go, buddy. There we go. See, it wasn't that big of a deal. It's just a box. The walks were what got him back out in the world. I'm at a park. There's people walking around. There's bikes. There's all this stuff. And he now has to trust a human. Now he's like, okay, I'm just gonna follow this dude. Hey, let me just go. And every walk just got easier and easier. You just get a feeling. You just know. You're just like, this dog's gonna be fine. I think I know how teachers feel when they have a favorite student that graduates. You can't keep them as a senior forever. You would love to, but it's time for them to move on. The family's amazing. Cody was saving stuff in that tank. He was saving stuff for his forever family. How do you do, you guys?
You did great!
Yay!
He's probably one of the best dogs that I've ever come across.
So cute. So cute.